Welcome back, dear creative. In this video I'm going to be showing you how we can turn our generated script to voiceover. So there are two ways to do this thing. Number one, if you are good with speech, you can decide to use your own voice as the voiceover. You can decide to just read the script, then you add your video later. But if you are not good with words, or you don't want to use your own voice, you just want everything to be done by AI, then I'm going to be showing you two ways you can change your script to audio. That's, you can change your words, that's your text, to audio so that you can use it for your video. Now, without further ado, let's proceed. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you find this video helpful. So the first website I'm going to be showing you how to use to change your script to voiceover is 11 Labs. So just search for 11labs.io on your browser. Then it's going to pop out this option for you. Just select this first guy right here. Sorry. This first guy right here. Yes. So just tap on it and it's going to require you to sign up or sign in with your Google account if you are a new user. So this is it right here. If you come here, it's going to just ask you to paste your script and do what you want to do. But I'll advise you to get started for free first so that you can sign in before you start creating your audios. So let me just tap on get started for free so that I'm going to sign in. So I've just signed in to my account on 11labs.io. Is going to require you to sign up or sign in, and when you sign in, you are going to see at the right hand side of your screen here that you have a quota of 10,000 words. Then you have 0 of 2,500 words. That means the highest you can use for free on this website is 10,000 words, and per text to speech you want to create, it has to be 2,500 words. So like I said, I'm still going to be showing you another website you can use, so watch this video to the end. So here you can paste the script you want. So let me go over to my notepad right now and copy the script. So I'm going to be using the short script from the beginning. So the boy who outsmarted the river. So I just deleted the up, then once upon a time, blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it right now. Copy it, then I come here and paste it. So after pasting it, as you can see here, 1,600 of 2,500 words. So if it's more than 2,500 words, it won't allow me to continue. But since it's not more than 2,500 words, it's here like this. So then you can select the voice you want by tapping on this Rachel right here and see who you want.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning.
So you can select the one you want. I think I love this Finn's voice. Let me see.
Change in all things is sweet.
Rachel voice is not nice. So I can just select the one I want. Let me go back to Finn. I love his voice. Then we can proceed. Okay here. Then I'm going to tap on generate speech right here. So I'm going to tap on generate speech and we are going to wait for it to generate. So as you can see, the
Once
fact that
upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger,
the fact that I've created a 1,600 words, it has reduced part of the quota that I have. So I have 8,300 words left to create on this website before I'll be required to subscribe. If you like their website, you can choose to subscribe there. So I guess our audio is almost done. Let's listen to it.
River, there lived a young boy named Chukwudi. Chukwudi was known for his cleverness and quick thinking. But the village...
This is how you are going to know that it's done. It has brought out the option to download it here. Then I can choose to download it and save it to my phone. So if it's not done, it will not show the download button. Then I download it so that it can be on my phone.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the...
If you notice, I used the short script, and as you can see here, 2 minutes. I mentioned it that ChatGPT will only help you create 2 or 3 minutes content each. If you did not specify that, it should increase it. So keep that in mind. Now let's go over to the second way you can change your voice to speech for free also. So the second website we are going to be using is called cliptix.com. In the description of this video, the link is included there. The link is included there, but if the link is not there, just click on the connect with me on WhatsApp button, then you can easily ask me for this. So let's proceed. If you just go to your browser, tap on cliptix.com. If you search for cliptix.com, you are going to be redirected to this interface, and as you can see here, you have 3 free credits every day. Next thing is to scroll down and tap text to speech. We are trying to transform our text to speech. So you can see it has just showed me I have 3 credits left, and I'm just going to paste my script right here, and it said 5,000 character each, and it's asking us to wait for some seconds before we can generate the voice. So we are just going to wait, then we can select the voice we want. Let's see.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Now let's see Sophie.
Hello, hope you are having a great...
So you can just choose the one you want to go for there. It doesn't have too many languages, so we can just select anyone. Let's see.
Met cloudmachine leerling interpreteer toepassing beelde, tekste en meer.
Let's just select English Australia, and then we can pick a character here.
G'day, hope you're having a ripper time making your video.
Okay, I think this one is okay. Or
G'day, hope you're having a...
G'day. Hope you're having a ripper time making your video.
Ava is okay, so we are just going to select Ava, then come back to this place. I said Ava. That's English Australian. Ava.
G'day, hope you're having a ripper time
Then, I don't know why it's not selecting. So let's just leave it at John. Then we tap on generate voice. It has finished the countdown. So once we tap on generate voice, it asks us to hang on because it's generating the audio. So every day you have 3 credits that you can use to generate your audio. We are using one of mine right now. So you can use any of these websites, any of these AI tools to generate your text to speech. That is if you don't want to use your voice. So you're just going to wait a bit for it to generate. Okay, it's done. It's generated it 1.47 seconds. So let's just see.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks...
We can choose to go back or download. Of course, we are going to download. So once I tap on download, it's going to download to my phone. Then I can go back to create another one if there's another one I want to create. That is, if I have like 10,000 words and you know it allows just 5,000 at once, I can create the first one, then I create the other one again. So that is that about that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.